Toyota has unveiled the latest generation of its iconic Land Cruiser SUV, also called the LC300. The new Land Cruiser will soon be available in select markets across the world. Initially, Toyota Land Cruiser 300 will only be available in Russia and Middle Eastern countries. Toyota has used the modular TNGA platform as a base for the new LC300 model. The 2022 Toyota Tundra pickup is also based on the same platform. Another big change is under the hood of the new Land Cruiser. There will be no V8 engine here anymore. Instead, the off-road SUV will now get a twin-turbo V6 naturally aspirated engine. On the outside, the Toyota Land Cruiser 300 has exactly the same dimensions as the 200 model, which made its debut in 2007. It has a ground clearance of 230 millimeters, but keeps the same approach and departure angles. As far as the design is concerned, the new Land Cruiser is not too different from the earlier generation model. However, there are a host of changes inside the cabin, which now appears more premium with newer features. Toyota has added a unique fingerprint identification verification technology in the new Land Cruiser SUV. Besides, there is a 9-inch infotainment system which can be upgraded to a 12.3-inch unit. The system is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The SUV also offers wireless charging, a 360-degree camera and a head-up display. Toyota will offer the new Land Cruiser SUV with only two engine options. The first one is a twin-turbo V6 3.5-liter petrol unit that can generate 409 horsepower and a peak torque of 650 Newton meters. This new engine actually has 30 more horsepower and 80 Newton meters of more torque than the older engine. There is also a diesel engine option with a 3.3-liter twin-turbo unit. It is capable of churning out 305 horsepower and an impressive torque of 700 Newton meters. Both the engines will be mated to a 10-speed automatic gearbox. Toyota claims the new Land Cruiser SUV can accelerate from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 6.7 seconds.